patty cake, 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 patty cake. Let's go suss out the school. Let's go. Hey, let's go. This over here. There's a door. There's a door over here.
We're gonna shut down.
Can you get ice blocks down this end?
How much is sauce? Wait, save the last pie. Wait, you guys ever wondered what's in there?
Yeah. Hey. Anything?
Hey, what's going on? Sup, dicks?
Yeah, big dick.
Yeah, boys.
Oh, bowling hat. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I saw this on the new plans.
How about a game?
Yeah.
How about 2 games?
Yeah.
Wait, what about this thing? You don't understand the nail ball?
Yeah. You ever check?
Yeah, it's under.
Excuse me, Mrs. Library Staff. I was wondering, do you have the Biology Excel HSC textbook?
No.
No? Oh, well that's alright, because you have The Railway Came to Ku-ring-gai, a pictorial history of Ku-ring-gai Municipality, 1890 to 1991.
Hi, excuse me, can you help me? I'm just after the 2005 Legal Studies Excel book. Do you have that?
No.
No. Well, it's okay, because you have yarns and photos, beautiful old Barara and Hornsby to the Hawkesbury.
You haven't. Excuse me. You haven't got that book about Ukraine. You know guys. You know the book about Ukraine with the terrorist on it. It's got the AK-47.
What's behind this door?
No idea.
That's where they took my iPod.
That's where they took my phone.
This is where they send all the confiscated items.
Must be the confiscated room.
Let's have a look.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, it was Bing Lee.
Did you guys see my iPod?
$450.
No.
Hey, what's behind this door?
No idea.
See that one?
Oh, it's locked.
If only we had a key.
Yeah, key.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
See if we can open it.
Hey.
Oh yes.
Cleaners!
They know too much.
Blasting me, detergent in the eyes!
Not in the